why I'm talking to you? Popping the wheelie. How are you? My name's Cinco. This is my drum recording, okay? You know why I'm talking to you? Popping the wheelie. I know you want to have fun. Calm down, right?
Yeah.
What I don't want is to get a call on you. Be careful coming in here.
No, I totally get it, man.
Popping the wheelie, okay? You have a loud bike. It was very easy.
The exhaust fell off on that.
Oh, okay. Keep it calm while you're here.
Never usually do stupid shit.
Thanks for being cooperative, alright? Alright, have a good one.
Fix your plate? I don't know what he said. Alright, LAPD cops are gonna give you a hard time. What's that?
Your plate is up, put it down so we can see it. Or
That's the max it goes.
good enough. Have a good day.
How's it going?
Evening, officer. How you doing?
You doing alright, man?
Yeah. May I ask why you stopped me? I'm kind of confused.
Yeah, I was just gonna check on you because you're going back and forth.
Oh, no. I was just kind of like.
If you're alright or.
No, I'm all good.
Or what was up? So I was just gonna stop and check on you.
Oh, I appreciate you. I appreciate you. Can I shake your hand? I appreciate you.
You got an ID?
Yes, sir. I got everything.
See, please.
Of course.
I appreciate you pulling over.
Yeah. Yeah, I was just in the zone, you know.
Yeah.
The weather's nice and everything.
No, you.
My wallet is in my backpack.
Yes, sir. That's okay.
I am armed, but it's not in my backpack. It's on my right side, and I have a license.
As long
to
as
carry.
it stays where it's at, mine stays where
I
it's
gotcha.
at. How's
But yeah, I was just kind of like, the weather's nice and the wind was blowing through my helmet.
that? Alright.
Here's my license, and this is my license to carry.
Awesome. Thank you, sir. I
Of course.
appreciate it.
Okay.
Hey, yeah, let me run everything.
Sure. Yeah. Go ahead.
I'll be
Yeah.
back with you, okay?
Go ahead. No problem.
you.
Thank you much.
Once again, I do appreciate you pulling over.
Of course. Yeah, I know how bikers can be with you guys, especially since you're state.
Yes, I mean, everyone
But-
knows we're gonna chase, right?
Yeah, but I'm not like that. You know, I got.
know, I do appreciate it, man. Hey,
Yeah.
you be safe tonight.
Thank you much. Appreciate you.
Trying so hard to give people a ticket or just trying to go home.
Stick your hands in your pockets.
You guys are fine. You already patted me down. I don't have fucking weapons.
About to go into cuffs.
Oh, because I'm fucking standing up.
You clearly have a problem.
I have a problem
listening.
because I'm trying to go home and you guys are harassing me.
So here's the thing. We can only stop people when we have the legal authority to
Wow,
stop
okay,
people.
you stopped me for the plate. If you want to give me a plate ticket, give me a plate ticket. There's no reason to be
once
patting
you
me
get
down,
stopped,
trying to go in my
you don't
pockets,
get to dictate
searching
what
it,
goes.
going and searching. Oh, maybe he has a loud exhaust. How do I see if he has a loud exhaust?
Modified.
That's what he's doing. He just, I can hear everything he's saying on the phone. I'm literally 5 feet away. You guys are trying so hard to give somebody a ticket. I just got off work. I'm trying to fucking go home. I pulled over. I'm cooperating. You guys are just harassing people. This is what you guys love to do. This is why people don't like police.
Yeah.
I was speeding. I figured you were gonna pull me over anyway, so I just pulled over. Okay, am I good? Okay. I'm just getting it over with. Thank you. What's up, bro?
What's up, man? How are you?
Good. How are you?
Good.
Seen you sitting up here. Figured I'd come talk to you.
Yeah, what's up?
You guys don't like the dirt bikes or what?
Nah, I mean, as long as it's street legal and you're not like you're driving it recklessly. At that point, it's fine.
Okay.
Is it registered?
Yeah.
I'm assuming it's not. Were you over there, like, kind of hopping that hill?
Yeah.
That's fine.
Hey, what's going on, sir? appreciate it, man.
Of course.
Thanks for stopping.
No, I'm not.
Registration as well?
Yeah, it's in under the seat.
Sure. I saw your buddy ducked off. He didn't have a plate on, I guess. So.
No, he had a plate.
Was it bent up real far?
It might have been. I don't know.
Are you guys with like the DMV rider stuff tonight?
So yeah, we just came from Taco Tuesday. We wanted to get out of there because she's got to work tomorrow. So yeah. Yeah.
It is what it is, right? I appreciate you guys pulling over.
No, we're not running. It's not worth it, dude.
It's not worth it. Somebody's gonna die or somebody's gonna get hurt, or a state's gonna catch you, and then it's gonna end bad. So
we went to.
Cut you both loose with warnings, anyways, as long as everybody's class comes back.
We went to a funeral last year of a kid that was 19, and then the other guy ended up in jail. I try to tell him all the time, but it's hard.
I appreciate you guys being cool with me.
Of course, thank you, sir.
As long as everything comes back to you guys.
You need insurance too?
No, you're good.
Okay.
Then I'm just gonna cut you guys loose so you guys can get home.
Thank you.
Give me a minute.
General duty, mate, straight for the fucking middle. Oh fuck, he's gonna arrest me. What is it with me and fucking general duties now, bro? I swear, like. Alright, let's see what this is about. Oh, alright, sorry. I didn't notice you parked all the way back there. Sorry, my bad.
Sorry, mate. Just let you know, the light here.
Yep.
It's quite bright and it obscures the plate a bit.
Right. Okay.
So just turn it on for me.
Yep.
Yeah. So we can see it here, but when you're back here, the reflection.
Yeah. Right. Okay.
So,
gotcha.
if you can.
I might be able to. Yeah, I might be able to move it up.
Oh look, you want to be able to fix it now, but just a heads up, just in case.
Yeah. No, I appreciate it. I didn't even.
No, all good.
Yeah.
All good.
Alright.
Something to note, maybe I don't know, dim the lumens or something.
Yeah. Okay. Alright.
Right.
Cheers, man. Have a good night.
In the sky, gazing far into the night, I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby.